What is going on, guys? D1 here, and today I just want to talk about the project I'm currently working on. It's basically a prototype of a game that I hope to develop at some point. The purpose of this prototype is to get some basic gameplay with sounds and a basic start menu or something like that, a main menu I mean, just to make sure that I can do the main things that I want to do with this project. So the main character is going to be this red baboon here. It's going to have some combat, it's going to have some platforming, and the feel that I want to capture with this game is the kind of experience that you get from the old PS2 adventure games, cartoon adventure games, such as Jak and Daxter, Ratchet and Clank. Not really Ratchet and Clank, that's a bit more sci-fi, but Jak and Daxter mainly. It's primarily inspired by that game, so that's what I'm going to be working on for the next while. Now, in terms of what I've done, I've got the character obviously done. The textures aren't complete. These are placeholder textures for the prototype. The animations as well aren't final, but I do have working animations. With the run, it's pretty standard, it's pretty generic. I'll try to make it look more unique in cartoon soon. But, yeah, so I'm just going to show what I have so far. I did program basic movement using Python and some logic bricks, as you can see here, a lot of properties as well. So what the character can do is he can fall with a fall animation, he can stand idly with an idle animation, and he can move around and turn. The movement uses an acceleration system that I figured out recently to create smoother movement. Eventually I'll try to figure out a way to make animations accelerate as he moves faster, so as he moves faster the animation would play faster. Eventually he'll get an animal run, which when he reaches roughly maximum speed he'll start doing an animal run, but that's for later. For now, what I have is a basic run. There's a bit of a glitch where his arm flips around, and you'll notice it, but I'll be fixing that soon, hopefully. So this is his idle animation. You can see it here. I guess it's a better view. Here's the run animation, and as you can see I can easily turn. Now, one thing that you may notice with the acceleration, it's kind of noticeable. You notice when I stand here, I start moving, and he starts a bit slow and then speeds up. You can see what I'm talking about here. It's not a sudden, jumping from idle to 0.5 movement or whatever. So it's a lot smoother. I'm pretty happy with it so far. I'll be tweaking it a bit as I go. So that's the basic animation I have. Other animations that I completed is a land animation. I still have to implement that. I also have a double jump animation, which I'll be implementing soon as well, and I'll be making him roll and stuff. So there's a lot of stuff that's going to go into this character, and a lot of subtle animations and such for later. But that's what I have so far. Now you notice there, that's the effect I'm talking about when I stop. Well, you didn't see it there, but at some point, I guess if I run long enough, when I stop he flips his arm. It didn't do it again here. But it's a pretty annoying effect. There it is. So I'm going to fix that soon, but that's what I have so far. Now when it comes to tutorials, I know a lot of you guys are expecting maybe a few tutorials. At least I hope that some of you guys are expecting tutorials. What I'm thinking of is making a tutorial for basic rigged character movement using Python. If you have any other suggestions, maybe put a comment down. Also, if you have feedback on the game, just let me know. Things I could do, for example, to make it more interesting and fun. But that's what I have so far. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. By the way, I have a thread on BA for this game if you want to follow the progress. I'm also going to be posting YouTube videos every once in a while, once I get something that's showable. So that's what I have so far. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you check out some of my tutorials if you're interested in this kind of stuff, or if you have, maybe you have some suggestions of what I should show you guys how to do next. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you.